The key takeaways are that how the industry is moving, how the other organizations are thinking about hybrid cloud, and I find that it's pretty much in line what we are thinking from a global standard. So I feel that globally, I think 10 years back we were way behind from technology as compared to European market or North American market, but today I feel that India is again on the same thought process of leveraging data, AI, analytics and machine learning.
Okay, the key takeaway is get to know who are the stakeholders in this particular domain, especially the data centers, where now we are seeing a lot of government companies and banking sectors and financial sectors. They are getting into expanding their data centers and coming up with newer data centers. I think this particular event is a good forum to interact with all the stakeholders and understand their pain points.
Takeaway from the event is I see that data center is not going anywhere. While people talk about public clouds of the world and we talk about everything would move towards something like a shared infrastructure, the amount of data which is growing, there is enough space for data centers. And when we talk about cloud, it is data center in the end only. It's just the operating model, right? So the key takeaway is data center, virtualization, or the cyber security is some of these important field which is not going anywhere when we talk about IT industry. It is how we can optimize it, make it much more efficient, and make sure that our partners, customers are able to make good use of it. And there is always an pressure towards cost, right? So how we can have it a better infrastructure at a lower cost, readily available for use. So that's my key takeaway.
Is that there are a lot of customers who have taken a certain interest in areas where we wanted, like especially the challenges which a customer faces in data center. So after this presentation, couple of customers have approached us and they have shown interest that okay, these are the areas where these are my pain points, will you be able to help us out? I think that is a key takeaway which I would like to take from this exhibition.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.